Welcome to TeleWizard. Today, we'll show you how easy it is to integrate Freshdesk with our powerful AI-driven call center platform. First, log into your TeleWizard account and navigate to the call center screen. Then click on Add Call Center to launch the Call Center Wizard. Here, select the Customer Support or Inquiry Center use case, then define the core details of your call center. You'll find Freshdesk among our supported systems. Select Freshdesk. Click on Connect below Freshdesk to begin the integration process. Enter your Freshdesk API key and help domain. This allows TeleWizard to securely connect with your Freshdesk account. Don't worry, our system ensures your data is always protected. After connecting, proceed to the Knowledge screen. Provide your company details and select all Freshdesk Help Center articles to import your knowledge base. Once connected, you'll see a list of in-call actions you can enable. These actions allow our AI to perform tasks like creating tickets, updating ticket status, and fetching customer information directly from Freshdesk during a call. With the actions configured, it's time to customize the AI's responses. Tailor the language and tone to match your brand's voice, ensuring a seamless customer experience. That's it! Freshdesk is now integrated with TeleWizard. Enjoy enhanced support capabilities and watch your customer satisfaction soar.